Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Begin by powering down and unplugging the Logitech G29 completely for safety. Remove the wheel from the rig before you touch any connectors or bolts. Inspect the power adapter and USB cable for damage or frays that could affect force feedback. Open Logitech G29 on your computer and confirm firmware version and current wheel strength percentage. Set a conservative test strength like 50% before plugging in power and USB again. These steps reduce risk and establish a controlled baseline for further adjustments. Open the Logitech G29 and select your G29 wheel profile to begin tuning. Reduce the overall wheel strength setting from 100% down to 50% or lower as needed. Adjust the in-game force feedback slider to between 40% and 70% depending on the simulation and car weight. Turn off redundant effects such as vibration or spring if they double up with wheel motor effects. Use single changes at a time and test for 20 to 30 seconds to evaluate the impact. Check the wheel mounting clamp and mounting bolts for proper fit and even torque. Loosen the clamp slightly if you detect binding or harsh feedback during full lock turns. Confirm the wheel uses a stable USB port or a powered USB hub to avoid communication spikes. If necessary, replace the power brick or test another outlet to reduce electrical noise. Recalibrate centering spring in G29 and test steering smoothness over 3 to 5 laps to confirm reduced force feedback and consistent.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.